What's the meaning of cowardice? Cowardice. Cowardice.
Cowardice. Cowardice. Cowardice refers to a lack of courage or bravery in the face of danger, difficulty, or pain. It is the act of avoiding something that requires one to confront fear or discomfort, often resulting in a failure to act in a situation where action is necessary. This can lead to missed opportunities, a lack of progress, and feelings of regret or shame. Being cowardly can also damage one's reputation and relationships, as others may perceive them as weak or unreliable. Ultimately, cowardice prevents growth and limits one's potential for success and fulfillment.